Swearing an oath some have waited years to take. These newly minted judges are tasked with creating trust in the courts for Ukraine's European aspirations to be realised. Olha Vdovichenko is one of nearly 250 judges recently appointed to firmly establish the rule of law and finally dismantle a Soviet legacy of corruption and impunity. She knows the pressure she faces.
Sometimes the pressure is so strong. You have to always be aware that you're a judge, that you can't even cross the street on a red light. You have to abide by the rules in your private life as well as on the job.
Their appointments were stalled by political tussles even before Russia's invasion, but the European Union has insisted on a judicial overhaul, and Kyiv wants to join the EU to cement its shift away from Moscow's orbit. Winning the trust of the war-weary population back will be difficult, though. Some 70% of Ukrainians distrust the judicial system, according to a March survey by a Kyiv think tank. Their cynicism fueled by years of corruption. Evgen Zavgorodny is a former anti-corruption investigator who has returned from the Eastern Front lines to join the bench. He says corruption in the judiciary is no more widespread than in other state institutions, but judges are more visible.
For better or for worse, because judges are objects of intense scrutiny from society for their mistakes, their misdeeds, their actions affecting their reputation are more noticeable.
A clean-up operation in the system is ongoing, with a former head of the Supreme Court awaiting trial for accepting a $2.7 million bribe, a charge that he denies, while another judge charged with being drunk when he crashed his car into and killed a National Guardsman at a checkpoint is also on trial.